This girl can really cook. She really knows her stuff. Fantastic food. It's so delicious.
This video, magluluto tayo ng pork ribs with barbecue sauce. For our ingredients, pork ribs, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce, Italian-style seasoning, chili but it's optional, salt and pepper to taste. Kailangan din natin ng onion, garlic, cooking oil, and 1 cup of water. Tara, luto tayo. Bago po natin i-chop ang ating pork ribs, tanggalin po muna natin yung membrane. Gamit tayo ng paper towel para mas madali po natin itong matanggal. Then after that, pugasan po natin ang ating pork ribs. And let's season it with salt, and pepper. Lots of pepper. I-ready na rin po natin yung ating bawang. Pati ang ating onions. Gagamit po ako ng instant pot. Na-preheat ko na po siya and then nasunte ko yung aking bawang and sibuyas and then nilagay ko na yung aking pork ribs. Lagay po natin yung bay leaves, soy sauce, sunod na po natin yung ating Worcestershire sauce, and then yung ating oyster sauce. Lagyan din natin siya ng 2 tablespoon Italian style seasoning. And then let's put our tomato sauce. And we will put also 1 cup of water. Haluin lang po natin ng bahagya at takipan and then pressure cook it for 45 minutes. And there you go, ang ating pork ribs with barbecue sauce.
These ribs are amazing.
Like it?
I'll take the bay leaf out. Couldn't go out for dinner and get anything better than this. All the men of the Philippines are jealous of me. Oh. The most beautiful Filipino wife. Mm-hmm.
How was it?
It's awesome.
Tikiman times. I cook ribs. This is pork ribs. And I just put everything in the instant.
Yeah, no barbecue involved.
Stir fry noodle.
Oh my goodness, so good.
Go out and eat some steak for dinner.
So she goes, no problem, I'll just whip up some tasty ribs. Okay. No one's arguing with that. But this was more than I could have imagined.
I put some ginger. Everything is in there.
I love ginger.
Good.
So good. Oh, thank you for joining us. I wish you could be here to try some of this, folks. Whoever you are, wherever you are, if I could wave a magic wand and you were here at our table with us, it would be wonderful. I would love the whole world just to be able to try some of this food. This girl can really cook. She really knows her stuff. Fantastic food. It's so delicious, so tangy. Again, trying to lose weight around here is an impossibility. And somebody makes the most amazing leche flan. Look at that, people. Look at that. Beautiful coffee from our new K Elite coffee maker over there. And now this. Watch this, folks. Watch this. Creamy, delicious perfection. Oh, I'm just battered with one bite, just like that. Folks, a meal like this, you went out to a restaurant, you're gonna pay a lot of money for a meal like this. All I have
What
to
do you call this? Real food?
This is what real food is. With real cooking, with real spice, with really good, wholesome, healthy ingredients. This is good, nutritious, healthy food. And the leche flan, well, that's just pure goodness. Would you like some, darling? Are you sure? Try some. Oh, there you go. I love leche flan with a nice fresh cup of black coffee. Thank you, dear. I give this little restaurant 5 stars, baby.
Huh?
5 stars.
5 stars.
So good. I better add a little more. There's a piece sticking out there that just looks fun. It's probably best I just eat it. There we go. Somebody help me. I know.
Life is short, life is beautiful.
How you gonna argue with that? How you gonna argue with that? This is the best leche flan you can get. Magnifico. All right, folks. Well, thanks so much for joining us for this lovely dessert that we're having and this lovely meal that we had. Wow, folks, it just doesn't get any better than this. So thank you for joining us, and I wish you all could be here with us right now to just sit down to this lovely meal. And it's really been a true pleasure, Leah. Thank you so much for your effort, for the amazing flavors, awesome recipe. So, folks, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And we just love to hear what you have to say. Just wish you were here. So, tune in soon. Thanks.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga bago naming uploads. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget that life is beautiful. You are blessed. Keep on smiling and be a blessing to others as always. Bye!